Okay, today I'm working on this 2003 Ford Taurus. I got it up on the lift. You can see some of the garbage falling out, and that's just so you can see my shadows coming in. It's kind of early in the morning right now. Kind of early for me anyway. It's about 7:30, but anyway, you can see all the stuff falling out of here, and I've been sweeping it out, and I gotta put rockers in it, and both sides, the rear wheel openings are really rotten. The other side's a little worse, but well, I gotta patch them up a little bit, but I'll show you the real job. That's one of the patches that I'm making right there for the rockers. But to give you an idea of what some of this stuff here, this is bad news here. This is rotten. But yeah, she's a rotten old girl. But the other side's the same way. But I'm gonna shut off my my video now, and then I'm gonna I'll clamp on my patches. I got 4 of them made now, and I gotta, like I say, I gotta get my vice grips, and I'll clamp them on there and show you what I'm gonna do. This stuff right here, I'm gonna grind all this rust off. Hopefully there'll be something left after I grind it off here, and then I'm gonna weld to that. You can see my helper over there wants to help, but and then yeah, I'll start up my video again in a minute or two. So. Well, I got this thing patched up. It's all hand fabricated. It needs a little more welding here and there, but it's pretty close to ready to go. This thing was really rotten. But yeah, you can see the side of some of these patches I had to make for it, and the other side's the same way pretty much. Yeah, you can see how much I had to patch it up. Yeah, she's rusty but trusty, they say. And then yeah, you can see how I got her all patched up, and yeah, she's. But I'll put a little bit of bond over those welds after I grind them down a little better, and put a little paint on there. But they, yeah, a lot of work, you know. And I got my helper over there. They're out shooting today, and made him a little nervous, so he came inside. So, but, oh well.